You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say it? Picots. Why is that? Because it is a word of French origin. Therefore, the T is silent, so the singular is picot. But because this is English, then you pronounce the S, so you skip the T because it comes from French, so it is silent, but you do not skip the S, which you would do in French, but you don't in English, so you end up saying picots. I hope that makes sense. Picots. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.